After a super successful snowblower mission, we decided to take a break from the shop this week and mix things up big time. The arrival of something very exciting inspires Riley to get me out on a bike, in winter and on a camping trip that has us questioning just how prepared we should really be.
I'm way too excited to try this new toy out, so I'm gonna ride it home and Courtney's gonna follow me home in the car.
I think we have some mild assembly to do first.
Yeah.
Oh. Goodness.
Wow. All right, found the instructions. Just kidding, I think I should use them. So sick. Yeah, it goes that way. Aren't those sweet? All right, I think we're on the last step, which is to put the battery in and take this thing for a spin. Holy smokes, this is a big battery. Is that it?
It says hold power button for 2 seconds to switch on display. Oh, okay. Okay.
Is it ready?
Yeah, but I don't want to ride it first.
Yeah, I think you should ride it.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do it first.
I'm gonna start by just pedaling it like a normal bike. Okay, so it's got 7 speeds. We're gonna try putting it on 2. So now it's gonna be assisting me. Oh yeah. This thing is advertised to have a 50-mile range. So I think it's time for me to try to ride it all the way home. I just noticed that it also has a horn button. I guess I'll see you at home. Whoa, level 5 is a lot.
Well, Riley's on the bike headed home. I'm gonna follow in the car and we'll see how far he makes it.
Oops, I just honked. I just honked the horn on accident. Up until now, I've been riding this thing in assist mode, which means that I have to pedal in order for the electric motor to help me go. We're scooting. Okay, but now we're gonna try what happens if I go to all electric mode. So it has a twist throttle like a motorcycle, and I can just twist the throttle. I'm not pedaling at all now. It's actually pretty smooth. This thing rides really nice. It's got front and rear suspension. Hi, dear. Woo! I think I'm out at top speed. I just hit 39 kilometers an hour. I have no idea how many miles that is. All right, I finally made it to our road from my long trip from town. This bike has been a blast. Now the real test though is, will it make it up our hill?
I have filmed so many vehicles going up this steep hill, but I never thought that I would be filming a bicycle. All right, this is take 2.
Woo! I did it! It rode up the hill!
Nice job.
That was awesome. Even though it's only rated for a 10-degree slope, I just did a 13-degree slope that was covered in snow and ice.
You made it home.
Woo!
Nice job.
You're gonna want to keep watching because this was only part one of the adventure. We'd like to thank ENGWE for sponsoring today's video. ENGWE reached out to Courtney and I and asked if we'd be up for testing out their new M20 bike, and we said, of course, I love bikes. This M20 is a motorcycle-inspired, full suspension electric mountain bike that comes with a 1,000 watt motor and knobby 20-inch fat tires. It's pretty much ready to take us on any adventure. And for the launch of this new bike, ENGWE is throwing a huge promotion, including giving away 10 bikes for free if you sign up for their newsletter. So head to the link in the description below to check out the special early bird pricing on this bike. And there's even a discount code for $200 off when you purchase the dual battery kit, which doubles the range of the bike. And thanks again to ENGWE for sponsoring this video. Now, let's go camping.
Riley has convinced me to go winter camping. Riley was able to get my bike built. It has a luggage rack, so I think that I'm probably gonna end up with most of this stuff. Ready or not, here we go.
Ready or not, I don't think we're ready.
Okay, Riley's giving me the lesson on how to use it.
If you hit this thingy, it's gonna go.
The throttle's on the left.
Yep, and I don't know what that little, that's the horn.
It's the horn.
It's on.
I'm scared and excited at the same time.
Why are you scared?
Because our road is so bumpy. We're riding the bike.
I got fully charged batteries today, so I'm taking full advantage of all electric motorcycle mode. Woo-hoo-hoo!
I'm not going down that. I'm gonna walk down this hill. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I'm full throttle right now, but I'm only on level 1 because I'm too scared to go to level 2. I ride a bike much slower these days now that I'm pregnant. I'm looking forward to when I'm not pregnant anymore, because then I can ride it faster. Oh, UPS man!
Uh-oh! Car! Okay, Courtney's decided she's had enough of beginner level and she's gonna switch it to level 2.
Here we go, guys. Level 2! Whee! Level 2, baby!
Woo, look at you go!
About to be a really bad idea.
Yep. Which way are we supposed to go, Courtney? That way.
Yeah, but it's not plowed. Fortunately, we thought maybe the road would be maintained all the way to the campsite, but it's not. So this could get interesting.
No. Maybe. No.
I don't know how my bike's getting over here.
They're definitely very different. I think this one's faster, but it's way less stable. But a lot more comfortable of a position. I'm very upright.
I don't like this!
Keep going! Keep going!
No!
We made it! Home sweet home for the night.
Thank you. There's no way I could have done that on a normal bike.
And shovel. When is the best time to learn how to set up a new tent?
When you're in the middle of nowhere. I thought this was an instant tent.
No, this is not an instant tent.
We didn't buy the instant tent?
We did not buy the instant tent. We bought the cheaper tent. Do you think it'll keep the bears out?
No. Maybe the chipmunks. I'm warm right now, and I'm trying to soak that in. It's probably about 38 degrees right now, and I think the low tonight is 20 degrees. So I'm gonna soak in the warmth right now while I can. It's not very soft. Pregnant lady down!
Oh, who convinced the pregnant lady to go winter camping? I think this might be our last camping opportunity as a family of 2 before we become a family of 3.
Especially if tonight goes how I think it's going to. Okay, this bag of goodies should keep us alive tonight. Step 1, start a fire.
Oh man, if we can't start a fire with a lighter and cardboard, we have no chance.
I took my cat nap in the sun. The sun is going down now, and I think it's time to put more layers on. Jacket, bib, hat, and mittens. These are the only cold weather clothes I own that still fit me being this pregnant, so hopefully this is enough. I'm gonna sit on this nice bench that nature made.
Yeah, do you like my bench?
Oh yeah.
There's even room for 2 on this bench.
It's 5 o'clock.
Only 5 o'clock.
I'm gonna eat dinner at 5:30 and I'm gonna go to bed at 7.
Yeah, I agree. What's for dinner?
I'm a little nervous about this one. Riley picked up pepperoni pizza, MRE, and you don't even use hot water.
That's gonna bake pizza?
Let steam 3 to 5 minutes.
All right.
Now there's steam coming out of it and it feels really good on my hands.
It's not a hand warmer, Courtney. That's my dinner.
Ready? Cheers. It's not the worst thing I've ever had.
It's also not the best thing I've ever had.
I think it's time for our second course. I'm more hopeful. This is a molten brownie. It's vegan?
It's a brownie.
That means it doesn't have butter.
Oh. Pretty crumbly brownie.
Oh. Why didn't we just bring like a normal brownie?
I don't know. Why did we buy this?
Why did you spend $13 on that brownie?
What are you doing?
They get tangled very easily. You're asking yourself, Courtney, how the heck are you going to power these? The answer is with Riley's bike. All I do is plug it in.
Wait, dance again. Do the pregnant lady dance.
Not doing that again.
Do the pregnant lady dance.
It's 8:15. I think that's officially bedtime and camping hours. So I think I'm gonna leave all of my clothes on and just take my shoes off and crawl into my sleeping bag and go to sleep.
It's warm in there?
No.
Oh, dang it.
I really wish that we had the dogs here. A, because they would like to be here, but also B, because then they could cuddle with me to keep me warm. But unfortunately, Bailey is still recovering from her knee surgery, and that would not be fair to her to only bring Boone, so they're at home.
Here I come. It's nice in here.
Should we talk about the fact that your socks don't match? It might help if you get in the sleeping bag.
Yeah.
Mom, if we don't make it through the night, you can have Boone.
What? My mom wants Boone.
Holly, you can have Bailey. No, I'm pretty warm right now. I'm just hoping I stay warm. And I'm hoping that I don't have to wake up too many times. I am more impressed with the tent that cost as much as the MREs than I am with the MREs.
Thanks for coming on this adventure with us. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning from our igloo.
Good morning.
Are you alive?
I am extremely cold.
I put my snow boots on last night, and now my feet are warm. The good news is that I had this vision of waking up to like feet of snow and then having to ride our bikes home in feet of snow, but that's not what happened. I think there's like a micro dusting, so. Oh, it's still snowing though. The plus side to sleeping in all of your winter clothes is that you wake up already dressed. Oh man. He's alive. Setting up camp is always more fun than breaking down camp, but I think it's time to break down camp. I'd like to give a huge thanks to ENGWE for sponsoring this video and sending us a pair of their bikes to try out. And in honor of the launch of their new M20 model bike, they've got some killer deals going on. They're even giving away 10 of these bikes. So head to the link in the description below where you can sign up for the newsletter and be entered to win. They've also got some early bird pricing specials going on, including $200 off when you buy the dual battery kit, which doubles the range of the bike. And thanks again to ENGWE for sponsoring this video and sponsoring this adventure. Now it's time to get back to the shop and back to work. Are you okay?
I don't know if I'm qualified to ride this contraption.